Welcome to Hands-on Equations, Lesson 12. So far we've learned that we can remove a 0 because that does not change the value. And we've also learned that we can add a 0 where we need it. Today we are going to learn yet another legal move. Just like we can remove pawns from both sides, we can also add pawns to both sides, and it will not unbalance our equation. So we are going to practice with this legal move today. So let's go ahead and set up our first problem. Again, you will need your white pawns, your blue pawns, and your number cubes. So let's go ahead and set up the problem 2x equals star plus 6. So 2x on the left side and star plus 6 on the right side. Okay. All right, so we're going to use our new legal move today where we can add pawns to both sides. So in this case, I need to get this cube to stand alone. Right? Think of that song, the cube stands alone, the cube stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cube stands alone. So in order to do that, if I add pawns to both sides, I'll be able to simplify this equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a blue pawn to each side. Now remember, when you are adding something or removing something, it always has to be simultaneous. And whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do the other. So it helps if when you're adding and taking things away, you use both of your hands. So I'm going to add a pawn to both sides. Now I'm going to be able to simplify because now I have a hero 0. And once I have a hero 0, I can remove that 0 and it will not change the value. So now I'm going to apply this legal move. And now I am left with 3x equals 6. So that tells us that x equals 2. Okay, x equals 2, we know star equals -2. We're going to set up our equation how it was originally written in the problem. And now let's check our work. 2 times 2 is 4, or 2 plus 2 is 4. And over here, 6 plus -2, or 6 minus 2 would be 4. So our check would be 4 equals 4. All right, let's do one more with our new legal move that we can add pawns to both sides. Let's try this one. 3 star plus 20 equals 2x. Okay, so in this case, we need 3 star plus 20 equals 2x's. Again, we go through, we can't remove anything, we don't have any zeros. So in this case, you have 2 decisions that you can make. We can do our legal move of adding zeros. So that is one thing that we could do, is we could add a 0 wherever we need it. The other legal move that we could do is we could add pawns. So you're now going to be able to make decisions about whether you want to add zeros to one side of the equation, or if you want to add a pawn or pawns to both sides of the equations. And both of these will work, which I will show you. But sometimes adding zeros or adding pawns can help you solve the equation in fewer steps, which is your goal. So let's try to first add zeros. Okay, let's say that I want to add zeros. And remember, I'm trying to get the cube to stand alone. So I could add a 0 over here, and then I can remove a white pawn. And then I can add another 0, and I can remove a white pawn, and I can add another 0, and then I would be able to remove a white pawn. So then I would be left with 5x equals 20. So then x would equal 4, and star would equal -4. Okay. Let's set up our equation as it was originally presented to us and check our work. Okay, so on the left-hand side of the equation, we would have -4 times 3, which would be -12, and -12 plus 20 would end up getting us 8. And over here, we would have 4 plus 4, which would be 8. So 8 does, in fact, equal 8. Now let's do the same problem, and I want to show you how you can use adding pawns, since that's also a legal move that could help you. So again, remember, you could add a pawn to both sides of the equation. It won't change the value. And we want to get these cubes to stand alone. So over here, I'm going to add a blue pawn to the equation. Now I have a 0 I can remove. I'm going to add another blue pawn to the equation, and then I can remove a 0. And I'm going to add another blue pawn to both sides of the equation, and then again I've created a 0 that I can remove. So again, I would be left with the same exact setup once I simplified. I would have 20 and 5x. So then x would equal 4, star would equal -4, and we would do our check of 8. So you're going to be combining all of your knowledge to make decisions and remembering that your 3 legal moves. So we'll review them one more time because you are going to need them and you are going to want to use them. And sometimes, like I said, adding zeros versus adding pawns, they'll both work. One just might be more efficient. So again, here a 0, you can remove a 0. It will not change the value of the equation. You can add a 0 where you need it in order to simplify your equation. And then the new legal move that we learned today was that you could add pawns to both sides. And again, usually you can add zeros and add pawns, so you have a decision about which legal move you would prefer to do so that you can simplify your equation the quickest. All right, good luck, mathematicians.